This video is going to give you a quick introduction to fault tree analysis in Syncopation's DPL Fault Tree software. A fault tree is a way of representing the risk of a big failure, like my plant blows up, in terms of a set of smaller component failures. Think valve 83-742 gets stuck and a backup system fails. A fault tree helps you understand how the small problems contribute to the big ones, so you can make intelligent choices about how to reduce your risks. In other words, keep your plant up and running smoothly. I'll illustrate with a familiar example. Let's say you have sensitive customer data on a computer system and you're concerned about the risk of a data breach. We'll build a fault tree in DPL to get a handle on that risk. How could a data breach happen? Well, there could be a phishing attack. It would have to get through our email gateway and fool a key employee with access to the data. We know these things happen every day. Or a developer could mess up and leave an API key and a script somewhere. A bad actor could find and use it to gain access. Or, even more simply, a rogue employee could steal the data. I will assign probabilities to the basic events, the smaller failures at the bottom of the tree, as shown in the table. I enter these within the no definition dialog for each. Note, for brevity's sake, I'm only showing this process for the attack blocked event. Once all the probabilities are defined, I can see how likely the different failure scenarios are. For my assumptions, the phishing attack is the most likely path to a breach. I can consider ways to reduce that risk using this fault tree as a what-if tool. Or, for a more structured way to look at risk reduction alternatives and their costs, I could build a decision tree right in DPL, but that's a different video. This concludes our quick intro to DPL Fault Tree. To learn more about fault tree modeling in DPL, you can watch our DPL Fault Tree video tutorials or request a free trial version of the software from our website. If you want to stay up to date on our latest DPL product videos and software tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.